Welcome to this review of the 15.6-inch LCD KVM switch 8-port VGA console from Arvitek. Today, we're diving deep into its features, performance, and overall value for IT administrators and server room professionals. Designed to provide seamless control over up to 8 computers on a single, full HD display, this device is built to simplify your daily tasks by consolidating control into one compact unit. At the heart of this unit is a crisp 15.6-inch LCD screen with a 1920 by 1080 resolution. The clear and sharp display is perfect for monitoring multiple systems simultaneously without sacrificing detail. The adjustable features of the device mean you can view each connected system individually or in a multi-window layout, making it an ideal solution for server room management and IT administration. One of the most impressive attributes is its 1U rack mount design, which fits into standard 19-inch rack cabinets. Its compact size, 479 by 410 by 44 millimeters, ensures minimal space consumption, while the included metal rails allow for easy installation in deeper racks ranging from 23.5 to 31.5 inches. This space-efficient design makes it a strong contender against bulkier designs available in the market. For device switching, the Arvitek KVM switch offers several flexible options. Whether you prefer using an OSD menu, hotkeys, or front panel push buttons, the transition between devices is intuitive. An extra USB port supports an external keyboard and mouse if needed, while the integrated 98-key keyboard with touchpad complements the overall experience with smooth operation. This variety in control methods means that this console can adapt to different preferences and work environments. Despite its many strengths, the product does have a few drawbacks. Some users might miss additional video input options or advanced customization settings that other premium models offer. However, for its price range, the balance between functionality and pricing makes it an attractive choice. Comparatively, while other KVM switches might offer more connectivity options or software enhancements, the Arvitek model delivers robust performance combined with secure and durable construction. It includes 2-level password protection, ensuring authorized access, and its sturdy metal housing not only improves heat dissipation, but also offers superior corrosion resistance. This makes it particularly reliable in busy data centers. To get the most out of this product, ensure that you organize your cables neatly and familiarize yourself with the OSD and keyboard shortcuts. Regularly updating the firmware, if available, and keeping a careful watch on the cooling system will extend the device's longevity. In summary, the 15.6-inch LCD KVM switch is a valuable investment for IT professionals who need multi-system control in a compact, secure package. It is especially beneficial for those managing server rooms or multi-computer setups. Thank you for listening, and greetings to all our viewers.